Sylvia and the Mastermind Alien. Today, Sylvia discusses about those strange sound with her sister Diana, who pays no importance to her talk. She is meanwhile sitting and relaxing and thinking about her friend, the friend who is unusually smart and name is Siraz. Siraz laid very much importance on ethics. She was just thinking about all those moments and taking a peaceful time for herself while she faces some kind of her spectacles. She is not able to see. And again, same kind of thundering replacement of items all around and vanishing of the sound is there. She thinks she's having illusions on it. For that reason, she calls Diana and tells her to observe the things carefully. Diana listens carefully and looks around and runs away, saying that you are just making the story. After she left, Sylvia observes the room, the electronics, the carpet, the bed, and finds out that there is a change. Inside the house also, she is suspecting certain changes. To be continued.